Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. I do all things budgeting. What I wanted to do is go over my first paycheck and go ahead and close it out. So I'm not at my desk. I'm actually sitting here because my desk has a lot of stuff on it, especially from trying to pack and make sure that everything is taken care of. So stuff is all over the place on my desk. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, for the first, the second, the third, we went to Atlanta for my family reunion. I will start inserting some pictures and clips in. I also want you guys to see my 75-year-old uncle hula hooping. So I'm going to add that in here as well. So let's get started on closing out the budget. We also have Happy Mail when I get towards the end of the video. So if you want to fast forward, go ahead and do so. So when it comes to my deposit account, what is that? My deposit account, I received $1,641.91. I did roll over $34.89. For offering, I sent my sister $178. And for the budget income, I was left with $1,498.90. So when it comes to the bills, all the bills did get paid. So Google 218, State Farm 206, Term Life 59, car insurance. That's not car insurance. That's a car payment. Half of a car payment, $234. Rent, $440. AT&T 65, and Netflix $10.94. I also haven't checked off these two, but I'm going to do that. So I just went ahead and sent the payment to my credit card for AT&T and Netflix. So altogether, those bills equal up to $1,017.12, with a remaining amount of $481.68. So let's see how my cash envelopes went. So when it comes to my cash envelopes for spending, I budgeted for $180. I spent $176.09 with $391 left. For gas, I budgeted $400 and also spent $100 for extra. I budgeted for $20, spent $0, had $20 left in my wallet. For car things, I did the same, budgeted for $20, got $20 left because I didn't use it. The total amount for cash envelopes was $320. Overall, I spent everything but $43.91. And at the top, which I can go ahead and take this off now. So at the top for sinking funds, which I did use for my savings challenge that I completed, it was a $700 savings challenge, and I only needed $160 more to complete it, which I did complete, and that was the money that we used for Atlanta. That included my half of the Airbnb that we got, food, drinks, gas, all of the above. And I actually got $14 and some change left, but I'm going to go ahead and put that money in one of my accounts on Ally. For month ahead, I did send $168. So if we subtract all of that, we would have gotten $0. And here are the totals. So for income, $1,498.80. Cash envelopes, I did spend $276.09. Sinking funds, $161.68. And bills did total up to $1,017.12. I have $43.91 left, which did roll over to vacation. So overall, I had $743.91. And for vacation, I did spend everything except for about $14. So that's it for the first budget closeout. For the second pay of August, because we are just now getting into September. And what I wanted to do is go ahead and do my unboxing. So I finally got this in the mail from So Crafty Sanai. I know you all seen in my last video where I was kind of stalking her, looking at all of her videos. I mean, all her videos on TikTok, looking at the wallet, looking at how she used them. And I instantly fell in love. Hold on. So, first we have my Lux wallet. And it's extra long. We have my wallet from Sanai, and we have my Moterm wallet. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and unbox. So this is what her packaging looked like, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And I have you all, what you all see for the background is just my whiteboard. That way I can have everything out properly. So first we have Sanai's information. So we have a number. She has Twitter. Wait, that's not Twitter. She has TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And here, ooh, I'm ashy, but that's okay. So we have her website, and on the back, it just says her name, her brand, So Crafty Sanai, SKS. And next we have a thank you card. Thank you for your order. And on the back, it doesn't have anything more information. And guys, I know I'm ashy, like I'm still tired. I keep yawning, that's why I keep pausing, and I'm just trying to recover from Atlanta because yeah, everything went well though. So we have cash stuffing instructions. Let's see what it says. It says, what is it? Cash stuffing is the process of saving cash into envelope categories assigned by your budget. The money you allocate into these categories is based on your lifestyle, and it can include gas, food, clothes, nails, etc. And I'm not going to read this at the bottom, but I will show. So the second part is how to do it and what you need. I take that back. The second part was still what it is, and this is how to do it, and you can read that yourself, especially if you are a beginner. This is great for beginners. And at the bottom, it just says what you need. So next we have the sheet for the purchase. Of course, it says that she do not accept any returns, anything like that. And then we have design with luxury in mind. On the back of it, it just shows what's in the wallet and how to take care of it. Next, we have the bag that the wallet came in, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So this is the wallet, and I'm just going to put all three of these side by side, that way you can see it. Okay, so I have all three of these lined up. As you can see, the Moterm is the widest. This one is a little tall, not by much, but it is slimmer. And this wallet is regular size. So if we stack all of them up, and let me go ahead and zip them up too. So hold on. Okay, so all of these are now side by side. As you can see, they are not the same. As you can see, the Zippy is smaller than the Moterm, but it is a little bit taller. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the Zippy. And here I am at the bottom. You can just compare. So we have the Zippy wallet open. If we turn, it does have Sanai's logo, So Crafty by Sanai, SKS. On this side, it doesn't have anything. Also, this right here is removable. So you can take this out, the little binder insert out, if you want to, and just have the wallet itself. You don't have to put cash envelopes in, but I think this is going to work out perfectly fine. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So here's a card slot, another slot right here, change pouch. Let's see how big it is. And then you have this side, and it looks the same as the other. So another card slot, and what I'm going to do is pause this to put some cards in. So I did add cards in, and this is what it looks like. Of course, I probably didn't do this right, but if I needed more space, I could do this. So I could add this in from my Moterm. I also can order more of these fly leaves. And this is what it looks like overall. So now what I'm going to do is just add some envelopes. So I went ahead and added in some envelopes that I got from Cynthia and Cassie J. And I've had these for some time, but they're so cute, so I'm going to keep using it. So let's see how. So this is how it zips up. Everything, well, looks like this. And that's it. That's the video. That's my closeout for the first paycheck of September. No, I keep saying September. That's my closeout for the second paycheck of August. And here is my new wallet that I love so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a safe holiday. And let me go ahead and insert this video now. Bye.